We got a couple 3D printers here in
A
our
collaborative STEM project. This group of young women at Ladies Island Elementary School have teamed up with an engineering class at May River High School to learn about 3D printing. During a Zoom session, the high school students showed the younger kids the 3D printers they use and talked about how they work.
I found out that there's an app that you could use to figure out how long it could take and what you want it to look like and the layers. I found that really cool and interesting.
The engineering teacher also talked to the students about the programs they use to plan out and create what they're going to print.
It was saying how thick and how thin you want it, and the thick it is, the longer it takes, and the thin it is, it kind of is a short amount of time.
The group of young ladies have been learning about science, technology, engineering, and math careers, as well as influential women in the STEM field.
When we think about females in the science, technology, engineering, and math, we are still trying to build that community so that we are represented. So I thought it was so important to share with these young girls in their tender ages that they too can seek out this as a career in the future as well.
The students have also been learning about women astronauts, so the high school students surprised the kids by making them all 3D printed rockets.
It is very smooth. It had kind of designs on it, and I think it was very cool because they made us a keychain, and we don't know how long that could have took because they only have 3 3D printers in their classrooms.
The elementary school is very thankful for the partnership with the high school and is looking forward to working on more projects together.
I am so grateful for Mr. Johnson and his class and the students and for their time and their efforts to do something for our students here at Ladies Island Elementary. This partnership is one that I am hopeful for many more projects in the future, and we're already talking about how we can work together in the future.
The elementary school recently got its own 3D printer, and students are excited to start learning how to use the new technology. At Ladies Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
You can take a 2-dimensional picture and you can turn it into a 3-dimensional shape with 3D printing.